back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are very new to this channel, I usually make content related to the education and personal life experiences. Today I'm gonna start with the book summary also. If you guys like reading books and want to listen book summary, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you also like education related, basically I make videos related to the CSC and coding. So if you are related to it, means please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Today I'm gonna start with this book called Ikigai. This is in reverse mode. Actually it is in selfie mode for that way. So okay, this is the book called Ikigai. Today I'm gonna share the summary, like a brief introduction, brief summary of each chapters in this book Ikigai. But one thing, this Ikigai consists of 9 chapters. Summary of 9 chapters in single length video is possible, but for me it's very hectic. It's hectic for me, so that's why I would like to do chapter wise videos. So this video consists of only 1 chapter and introduction of Ikigai. So stay tuned for the other chapters for the next video. So let's deep dive into this Ikigai world. What is the Ikigai and what author is trying to convey to the world? Let's go. Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. What is the meaning of life? If you see, there are some people who knows what to do in their life and have some passion for life, while others languish in confusion. This creates a mysterious word called Ikigai. This Japanese concept translates the happiness of always being busy. In this Ikigai, the author explored and researched one island called Okinawa. This is in Japan, where we can see a lot of people who are more over 100 years of age, and we can also see the super centenarians, the people who are at 90s and 100s. The people are still very active and super healthy. This creates a doubt and questions for the author, like what is the secret for their longevity, and also what is the secret for long and happy life. This book gives the solution. This book is all about the researching of the island called Okinawa, and also a lot of principles to stay young and to what to do to make us live long life and how to control our stress. Everything will be told in this book. So let's explore the Ikigai. What is the secret for this much of longevity in Okinawa? Later author realized that Okinawans treat everyone like their brother, even if they didn't met before or not. Okinawans usually promote teamwork and also help each other. In this way, they don't have any kind of quarrels among each other. They usually promote healthy environment. Our healthy environment plays a major role in our long life expectancy. By nurturing friendship, eating less, consume less meat, and drinking less alcohol, doing regular and moderation of exercises, all these things makes Okinawan people to live long life and happy life. Let's go with the first chapter of the art of staying young while growing. In this chapter, author says our Ikigai is hidden deep inside each of us. Trying it to find requires a lot of patient search. According to Okinawa people, Ikigai is the reason for us to wake up early in the morning. If you see the diagram, here you can see the diagram. Ikigai is a combination of 4 attributes called what you love, what the world needs, and what you can be paid for, and what you are good at. This is a 4-circle Venn diagram. When all these 4 combines together, this gives you the Ikigai. As it is in the center, it is called Ikigai. These all 4 combination is called Ikigai. So actually what you love means what you enjoy the most. If you enjoy doing code, that is the thing you enjoy the most. And what you are good at means your hobbies, like you are good at you are good at singing songs, and you are good at dancing, you are good at acting. All these comes under what you are good at. And what you can be paid for in the sense your business opportunities and career opportunities, the jobs, all these comes under what you can be paid for. And what the world needs in the sense here contribution to others, what you are contributing to others, what you are contributing to the society. All these four gives you the Ikigai here. So basically Ikigai means purpose of your life. What is the meaning of your life? Your interest, all these comes under Ikigai. Whatever you do, don't retire. This is the Japan concept. The Japan people don't retire. They usually do the work that they love the most as long as their health and body allows. Having a purpose of the life is so important in Japanese culture that the concept or idea of retirement simply does not exist for them. In this way, author is suggesting us to do the work that we love the most, because it will create happiness in our life and also it creates meaning to our life. And if you do the work that you hate the most or you didn't like it, it will create stress in our mind, and also it does not even create a meaning for our life. For that's why author is suggesting us to do the work that we love the most. And also in this chapter, author described 5 blue zones. In these 5 blue zones, all these countries or towns, in these 5 blue zones, we can see the people live more than 100 years. That means we can find centenarians and also super centenarians. And also in these 5 blue zones, the first position holds Okinawa only. That means we can see lot of 100 years age people and more than 100 people in this Okinawa. And you know what? Okinawa people celebrate 90th birthday and 91st birthday very healthily and very actively. You know what? The keys for the longevity is they do exercises, having less meat and less alcohol, and for that's why they are living happy life. I will give you one situation. Imagine you are at a party. You have a lot of food items in front of you. Noodles, Manchuria, biryani, pizza, everything in front of you. And you started eating everything in two plates. Like 2 plates biryani, 2 plates Manchuria, 2 plates noodles, everything like this. You felt heavy and your friend came in front of you and he offered cake to you. What you will do in this kind of situation? Will you eat it or will you ignore it? Let me know in the comment section. Will you eat or ignore it? Imagine if Okinawa people are there in this situation. Of course, Okinawa people will not be there because they won't eat junk food that much. If suppose, let's say if they are in this situation, they will not touch cake, because here itself, by eating those food itself, they felt heavy. They does not go for other side dish. In this way, most common saying in Japan, har har hachibu. That means fill your stomach or belly to 80%. Okinawas stop eating food when they feel heavy. In this way, author is suggesting us to stop eating food when we feel heavy or too much. If we consume more amount of food, means we feel stressed and we feel lazy and we feel also lethargic. For that's why author is suggesting us to stop food eating immediately when we feel heavy. If we can't, we shouldn't take, right? So this is the main motto, 80% of rule in Okinawas. And also Okinawa's diet is rich in tofu, sweet potatoes, fish and vegetables. So that's it for today, guys. This is the first chapter, brief introduction of Ikigai and brief summary of Ikigai. And if you want to learn more about this Ikigai, means please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will make sure to upload the videos in chapter wise. And thank you so much for watching my video, and please make sure to follow the Okinawa tips for long and happy life, like tips such as make sure to eat less meat and less alcohol and less processed foods. Please make sure to do regular exercises that will boost your energy. Thank you so much for watching.